Good. You think? You and Mom had the same problem. Gotta go up here.
Hey, nice up.
Style, Dad.
Yeah, I was going to wear those inside.
Okay, we're gonna go start right here. See what happens. Okay.
You can do it. Oh, it's gonna be so fun.
Okay. Hold on to your.
Hold on to the handles.
Got it. Hold on tight.
Oh, pick your feet up.
Hold your feet up. There you go.
Rock. Then we're gonna have to make a path.
You need to get a rope and tie around it. Walk down to the street and pull her down. Does he have any rope? He's got ski rope.
Hang on. Hang on. Hang on.
You're okay.
You know, the thing about it being snowy and wet and rainy, once you get a path, it's going to be all icy and you're going to be flying. Hey, you made it! Hi, Jocelyn.
I made it.
You made it.
Okay, let's go by Mom.
Come on, Pumpkin. That's okay. Grandpa's gloves can get wet.